The DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated camera releases of the year, and the leaks, rumors, and insider reports we're hearing right now suggest that DJI is preparing something truly next level for creators, vloggers, and adventure enthusiasts. Imagine a camera that finally bridges the gap between a rugged action cam and a cinematic filmmaker's tool, something small enough to mount on a helmet, yet powerful enough to deliver professional quality footage straight out of the box. According to several leaks, DJI's next flagship action camera might come with a massive upgrade in sensor size, possibly a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which would completely change the game in terms of image quality. A larger sensor means better dynamic range, cleaner low-light performance, and richer color depth, so even in dark environments, your footage looks crisp and cinematic instead of noisy and flat. That's huge for anyone who films night rides, indoor sports, or early morning travel footage. Of course, a 1-inch sensor also raises challenges like increased power consumption and heat buildup, which is why many insiders believe DJI is redesigning the internal cooling system for longer recording times without overheating. Some leaked prototype shots show a slightly thicker body, likely to manage heat better while also providing room for a bigger battery. If that's true, the Osmo Action 6 could outlast GoPro's latest models in continuous recording, which has always been one of GoPro's weaknesses. Another big rumor making waves is about video resolution. Several sources claim that DJI is testing 8K recording capabilities on this camera. While it's unclear whether 8K will be available at full frame rates or just limited bursts, this still points to a much more powerful image processor under the hood, most likely a new DJI-designed chip optimized for AI image processing and stabilization. And speaking of stabilization, DJI's Rocksteady system has always been industry-leading, but the Osmo Action 6 could take things even further with what insiders are calling Rocksteady 4.0. Combined with a next-gen Horizon Steady system that keeps your footage perfectly level even if you tilt or rotate the camera 360 degrees. For creators filming extreme sports like mountain biking, surfing, or skydiving, that means your footage will look like it's shot with a gimbal, even if it's handheld or helmet-mounted. This kind of stabilization would be driven by AI prediction models, anticipating movement before it happens to counteract shake in real time, producing video so smooth it almost feels unreal. Another exciting leak involves integration with smart devices. Reports suggest that DJI could introduce smartwatch compatibility, allowing you to connect the Osmo Action 6 to your Apple Watch or Garmin wearable. This would let users start and stop recording from their wrist, monitor camera settings, and even overlay fitness data like heart rate, speed, or elevation directly into the video. Imagine recording a downhill ride or marathon run while displaying your live stats on screen. It would take storytelling to a whole new level for athletes and vloggers alike. And then there's the possibility of better microphones and audio processing. DJI might finally be adding improved wind noise reduction and higher quality stereo microphones, delivering cleaner sound even in tough outdoor environments. Some rumors even mention a new AI-driven audio focus system that automatically enhances voices and reduces background noise, which would be incredible for vlog-style content where clarity matters. Storage and battery are two more areas expected to see big improvements. Leaked specs suggest the camera might include up to 64 GB of built-in internal storage, alongside a UHS 2 microSD card slot for expansion. That's a smart feature that ensures you're never stuck without space even if you forget your SD card at home. Battery life could also jump to around 90 minutes of continuous 4K recording, depending on temperature and mode. And some insiders even hint at new fast-charging tech, possibly reaching 80% in under 20 minutes. Design-wise, leaked renders show a slightly larger lens ring, hinting at upgraded optics and better heat dissipation. The overall body may be a bit more rugged and waterproof out of the box, possibly supporting up to 20 meters without a case. DJI is also rumored to introduce new color science borrowed from its professional drones, delivering more accurate skin tones and richer, more natural color reproduction. That would be a big win for creators who prefer minimal editing and want cinematic quality straight from the camera. On the software side, we could see advanced shooting modes like active HDR, AI scene recognition, and auto-level framing. These would allow the camera to automatically adjust exposure, tone, and focus based on what it detects, like faces, fast motion, or dramatic lighting changes, ensuring every shot looks intentional and professional. It's also expected that DJI will expand its mobile app integration with faster wireless file transfer and more powerful in-app editing tools, helping creators post faster without needing a laptop. When it comes to pricing, The most reliable leaks suggest that the Osmo Action 6 will cost around $490 for the standard model and around $599 for a possible Pro version, which might feature extra heat management or higher bit rates. That positions it directly against the GoPro Hero 13 and Insta360 Ace Pro, meaning DJI clearly plans to dominate the premium action cam market in 2025. The rumored release date aligns with mid-October, just before the holiday season, which is perfect timing for DJI to capture attention from creators and travelers. If even half these leaks are true, the Osmo Action 6 will be a massive step up not only from its predecessors, but from nearly every action camera currently available. A 1-inch sensor would crush low-light limitations, the upgraded stabilization would make gimbals unnecessary, and smartwatch integration would redefine usability for on-the-go creators. Combined with longer battery life, better thermals, and smarter AI features, it sounds like DJI is listening closely to what the community has been asking for. Of course, we should remember that leaks aren't always 100% accurate. Sometimes specs get exaggerated, or features don't make it into the final production model. But DJI has a strong record of delivering on its promises, and the Osmo Action lineup has evolved significantly with each generation, meaning the Action 6 could easily become the best compact camera of the year. For filmmakers, vloggers, or adventurers looking for cinematic visuals in a tiny form factor, this camera might just be the perfect balance of performance and portability. The competition from GoPro and Insta360 is heating up, but DJI's focus on sensor quality, stabilization, and real-world usability gives it an edge. If the Action 6 truly delivers 8K 1-inch sensor performance and AI-assisted shooting, it might not only redefine what an action camera can do, it might change how we capture everyday adventures forever. As the leaks continue, all eyes are on DJI's official announcement expected later this month, and if the footage looks anything like what insiders are teasing, we're in for something extraordinary. So stay tuned, because the DJI Osmo Action 6 could be the boldest leap forward in action cameras we've ever seen. A device built not just to record your experiences, but to elevate them to cinematic art. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just another small upgrade. It represents a bold new step in how we capture motion, adventure, and life itself. From the rumored 1-inch sensor and advanced rock-steady stabilization to AI-powered enhancements, longer battery life, and smartwatch connectivity, every leak points toward a device designed for the next generation of creators. Whether you're shooting cinematic travel films, capturing high-speed sports, or documenting everyday moments, this camera could redefine what it means to create effortlessly beautiful content. If DJI delivers on even half of these expectations, the Osmo Action 6 will easily stand out as the most advanced, most capable, and most inspiring action camera ever made. Until it's officially unveiled, all we can do is imagine the possibilities. But if the rumors are true, the wait will absolutely be worth it. Stay tuned, because the action camera revolution might just be about to begin.